Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laser level rotary that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the AdirPro Rotary Laser Detector. The AdirPro Universal Rotary Laser Detector is a versatile and accurate tool designed for use with red rotary lasers. It features a dual-sided LCD display for easy reading of elevation, grade sensitivity, and audio and battery status. With a working range of 2,000 feet and an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 of an inch, it ensures precise leveling at all times. The laser detector also has a built-in bubble level and a long battery life of approximately 40 working hours. Its robust construction makes it suitable for all weather conditions, and it is IP55 dust-proof and water-jet resistant. Compatible with various red rotary lasers, it is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Moving on at number 4, we have the Johnson Level & Tool 406502 Manual Leveling Rotary Laser. The Johnson Level & Tool 406502 Manual Leveling Rotary Laser is a versatile tool that is perfect for both indoor and outdoor jobs. It features small and large scan modes that simulate a laser chop line, as well as horizontal and vertical planes for manual leveling. With the ability to release a simultaneous 90 degrees split beam in vertical mode and variable rotational speeds, this rotary laser is suitable for a variety of applications in construction and more. It is easy to set up and operate, and the included red glasses enhance visibility. Although the laser may not be very bright in bright sunlight, it works great with a laser detector. Overall, this rotary laser provides excellent value for its price. At number 3, we have the Topcon RLH5A Self-Leveling Rotary Grade Laser Level. The Topcon RLH5A Self-Leveling Rotary Grade Laser Level is a versatile and durable tool designed for grading, excavating, and general construction projects. With its IP66 rating, it can withstand harsh job site conditions including dust, showers, and heavy rainfall. The laser level is easy to use with electronic self-leveling, and it automatically relevels itself if disturbed during work. It offers a long range and high accuracy, making it suitable for shooting elevations up to 800 meters. The kit includes the RLH5A laser, LS80L or LS100D sensor holder, and carry case. Overall, this laser level is a great value for those who need basic features and reliable performance. At number 2, we have the Iglobalbuy Electronic Self-Leveling Rotary Red Laser Level Kit. The Iglobalbuy Automatic Electronic Self-Leveling Rotary Rotating Red Laser Level Kit is a versatile and reliable tool for both indoor and outdoor applications. With a 500 meters beam visibility and 360 degrees rotatable scan lines, this laser level ensures maximum visibility in various light conditions. It features 4 rotational speeds to meet the demands of different users. The high-impact composite housing protects the inner mechanism from water and dust, making it durable and long-lasting. The kit also includes a sturdy carrying case for easy organization and transportation. Whether you're leveling, checking cut and fill, setting foundations and footings, or pouring concrete, this laser level is a practical and effective choice. And finally at number 1, we have the Iglobalbuy Rotary Laser Level Kit. The Iglobalbuy Rotary Laser Level Green Laser Self-Leveling Kit is a powerful and versatile tool for construction and building projects. With its plus or minus 5 degrees self-leveling range and bright green laser beam, this laser level ensures fast and accurate leveling tasks. It comes with a remote control and a strong black carry case for added convenience and easy storage. The included laser glasses provide eye protection and enhance visibility in bright sunlight. This rotary laser level is widely used in architecture construction, building constructions, equipment installation, elevator installation, and indoor decorating. It is a reliable and efficient tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.